Hey Stephen, it's Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And looking through your website, these call to actions that you have are really good for conversions. This as well. I would recommend adding some more content on your homepage here because Google has crawlers and they are crawling the internet 24/7. So they are looking through all the websites, seeing what content is on here, seeing what these photos are saved as, and they are looking for keywords. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And an example of a keyword is foundation repair Dallas. And so when your customers are searching for this here, the first thing that's popping up are some ads. But if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Packs section, and 30 to 40% of business go into the Google Map Packs. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because they get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And so the way that you outrank these other businesses is you would have a Google business profile, and you'd want it to have more citations than they do. So have your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp. And then you want a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing here. And this is where your website would be ranking. And it is super important to be on this first page here because 90% of people stay on the first page. And let's take a look at this #1 ranking website here. So if we go through Brown Foundation Repair's website, they have some good call to actions as well. But it would be really easy to outdo them in the content department. So let's take a look at the back end of each website. So I have Brown Foundation Repair plugged into Ahrefs. We're going to look at some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. And they have 36 and 6. And these ratings are coming from their 2.16 thousand backlinks that they have. And then coming from their 205 referring domains. And so what a backlink is, it is one website linking to another one, kind of like a shout out. And it is important to know that there are good quality backlinks that will bring these numbers up, and there are spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you want to be intentional whenever you are choosing backlinks. And Brown Foundation Repair has 526 keywords on their website. And so let's take a look at your website here. I have your URL plugged in, and you'll have 19 and 94. And one reason these numbers are a little higher is because you guys are built on a Wix site here. And then as well, you guys have 59 backlinks coming from 8 referring domains, and there are 0 keywords on your website. And so you would want to add more high quality backlinks here, and you would want more buyer intent keywords on your website. And one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. So you would go into the Brown Foundation Repair's backlinks that they have, and you would link them to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And let's take a look at some of their keywords. Foundation Repair Dallas, 1,000 people are searching for this every single month. 100, 150, 150, 100, and this list just keeps going. And so in order for you to get some of this traffic for yourself, you'd want that Google business profile ranking, so add some citations there. And then you would want your website ranking, so get more high quality backlinks, add content and keywords to your website. And so I hope that this video was very valuable for you. I would love to know if it was helpful. So if you'll give me a call, let me know if it was helpful or not, and I will let you know the joke of the day. I appreciate you watching this.